So real quickly as a bonus video, I wanted to go over the Shape Builder tool options. So in Adobe Illustrator, there's the Shape Builder tool where you can add and subtract vector objects. How do we do that in Affinity Designer? They have a very similar Pathfinder tool. It's going to be these tools right up here. So I'm just going to do a quick example. We're going to do 2 circles, just like we did with the Shape Builder tool. We're going to overlap them. Let's make this a slight different color. Let's overlap them. So how can we build shapes and subtract shapes by the overlapping vector shapes? So we're going to go up here. We're going to go ahead and select both of these objects. We're going to go up here. This is kind of like the Pathfinder area. It functions like the Pathfinder, which functions a little bit like the Shape Builder tool. So you're going to be able to add shapes. You're going to be able to subtract them. You're going to be able to find the in-between areas. So it's going to isolate that little in-between area. You click on that, and we're going to be able to isolate everything but the overlapping areas. So this is just like the Pathfinder tool in Adobe Illustrator. It functions just like that. I can go ahead and pull up this. I'm actually hopped right back into Adobe Illustrator. I'm going to go into Pathfinder, and here's your Pathfinder tools. So anytime you use these tools, you're minus back, dividing, adding certain shapes. It's similar to the Shape Builder tool, how you can cut out and add objects. That's how you do it in Affinity Designer. I just wanted to show you that real quick so you can kind of know how to do that Shape Builder tool and subtract and add objects easily in this program.